Take a ride in the 2012 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, remote keyless entry, fog lights, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, trip computer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.